Hello everyone, we are exhibiting in the INTEC 2026. Our stall is D81 and 83. We are from UPANAL and Philips team. This is our product. It's called a performance vertical machine. Okay, in this machine we can produce aerospace and medical and automobile components, including electrical equipments. Okay, and this was a control called Mitsubishi control. This is now India. It was present in South India. This is a control is leading now and very easy to operate and operator friendly. And this machine also imported from Taiwan machines, Taiwan. And this one 12,000 RPM direct drive. We can give depth of cut more than 4 mm, and the material was 320 meter, and the die mold especially used for die mold parts. And these are the worth to buy this machine for good resistance and reproductive accuracy. And this is a press-tech machine from JFI. It's a group of a drum group. It's a capacity from TPM 100, and we are also dealer in this machine also. Especially it is also imported from China, and it's very good for bending and also use it for punching, and also is very good for aerostructural components, and especially use it in press brake and automotive industries. These are the control which comes from the machine, and it is also front-end control. It's a JFI control TJS 9CT, and it's under spec what I want to set the parameter to operate this machine. Another machine what we are going to sell, and this is a JFI machine. It's a laser cutting machine which is used for metal cutting up to 25 mm thickness to 40 mm thickness. We can cut brass material, aluminum material, including MS, including steels, and we take a support from a trump. It's a trump group, and these are the axis. 1 minute. These are the axis, and these are the axis. The tool that which was cutting. It's the movement and Z and X-axis movement. Okay, and this was the control we need to programming here, which comes from the machine, and this is also easy to operate. And this also we are dealer from UPANAL. This is a imported machine.